So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to bet on cryptocurrency prediction markets or crypto prediction markets on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, go to the bottom and press trade, and then press on predictions, trade on real world events. Once you're here where it says trending, just simply slide the bar to the right to where it says crypto and select that. And once you guys are here, you can just scroll down and see a bunch of different crypto options that are here. Or you can also go to the top right, for example, and if you wanted to search up, I don't know, Ethereum, for example, you can search up Ethereum, find one that you look for. So in this case, what price will Ethereum hit in May? If I were to go ahead and see this option right here, there's a bunch of different outcomes you can select. So if you think that Ethereum would hit 5,000 plus in this example, you can see the odds right here. If you were to go ahead and select no and then type in how much you want, as you can tell, in this case, $100 would win you $0. So if you wanted to do the opposite, just maybe a long shot, for example, $100 here could win you 73,000. If that looks good to you, go ahead and press on done. Then go to the bottom and press yes to confirm the transaction, and then proceed that way if that's what you want to do. So a bunch of different cryptocurrency prediction markets right here that you guys can go ahead and select. So yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. That's how to bet on crypto prediction markets on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.